Alright, so in this video I wanted to go ahead and cover how to spawn in paper flipbook effects. Now this is going to be a little bit different from the rest of the series so far, and if this is your first time tuning in, you can still use this as an example for how to actually spawn in effects. The effect I will be working with is a jump effect, so I'm going to just quickly go over a little bit about jumping and then how to spawn in the effect. Perfect. So the first thing we need to do is I'm using my player controller, so whenever we possess our pawn, we still want to perform the casting to the character, making sure that we get that the cast as a variable. From there, we're going to pull off of the PaperZD character, and that's what I've named it, and set the jump max count to 2. This is an inbuilt variable within a just normal character. Any character blueprint will have this variable in here that you can affect, so we're going to set that to 2. Next, within our jump code, we want to perform a check after we jump. And the check will be pulling off of our PaperZD character, getting the jump current count. This is another variable that's built into our character that will just track how many times we've jumped. We want to see if it's greater than 0, and we want to see if it's less than the jump max count. If this is true, we are going to grab our PaperZD character, get the capsule component, and we want to get its world transform. And all this is the actual location of the capsule component. And remember, in our character, it is just this. It's the little pill. It's our capsule component. We're getting its location within the world. And that is where we are going to spawn the actor. That is what the spawn transform is. Now for class, I have set it to my jump effect. And what that is within my effects folder. If you don't have one, I would recommend making one. All I have done is I've created with a 2D texture, done the normal setting. Oh, there we go. Setting the applying paper 2D texture settings, then creating sprites, and then creating a flipbook off of that. And then right clicking, blueprint class, choosing an actor. That's what this is. I've named it jump effect. If we open up that new actor, all you need to do is add a sprite in there. I guess there's an R, sprite, paper sprite, select the sprite, under sprite, change your source flipbook to whatever effect you have or would like to spawn in. Now for this particular effect, I have actually moved the sprite down to the bottom of the capsule component, as that will then spawn in on the bottom of our character. This just makes it simpler. If we had it up here, it would spawn within the middle of the character, so we know we want it at the bottom. And then the only other thing we need for spawning an effect is to ensure that it will get destroyed from the world. So we're going to set a delay node. Its duration will just be the length of our flipbook. In this case, it is just this effect. So however long it takes for this to play, we're going to wait, and after that wait is over, we're going to destroy the actor. This will stop. If we don't have that, it would just leave the effect continuously going. So we want to make sure to destroy it afterwards. And that's it for this video. That's how we're going to spawn in paper 2D effects. If you have any questions, feel free to ask as always. Thank you.